Have you ever felt like your family is speaking different languages? You're in the same room, but no one's really listening. Or maybe conversations always seem to end in arguments. This, my friends, is what we call a communication breakdown, and it's one of the most common challenges families face today. Communication breakdown happens when family members struggle to express their feelings, listen to one another, or truly understand each other's perspectives. It can lead to misunderstandings, resentment, and even bigger conflicts down the road. So what causes this breakdown? Sometimes it's busy schedules. Everyone's so caught up in their own world that they forget to connect. Other times, it's fear of being judged, fear of starting an argument, or fear of not being heard. And let's be honest, sometimes it's just poor communication habits. Yelling, interrupting, or dismissing each other's feelings can create a cycle of frustration and distance. But here's the good news. Communication breakdowns can be fixed. It just takes a little effort, patience, and the right strategies. Let's dive into some solutions that can help your family reconnect and communicate better. First, practice active listening. This means giving your full attention to the person speaking. No phones, no interruptions. Show that you're listening by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and summarizing what they've said. For example, "So, you're feeling upset because..." This small step can make a huge difference. Next, use I statements instead of you statements. Instead of saying, "You never listen to me," try, "I feel unheard when I'm talking." This shifts the focus from blaming to expressing your feelings, which can reduce defensiveness and open the door to understanding. Another great solution is to schedule regular family meetings. Set aside time each week to talk about what's working, what's not, and how everyone's feeling. This creates a safe space for open dialogue and ensures everyone's voice is heard. Don't forget to make time for fun and bonding. Sometimes the best conversations happen when you're doing something enjoyable together, like cooking, playing a game, or going for a walk. These moments can help rebuild trust and connection. Finally, remember that communication is a skill. It takes practice. Be patient with yourself and your family. Celebrate small wins, like a successful conversation or a resolved conflict. Over time, these efforts will strengthen your relationships and create a more harmonious home. Communication breakdowns don't have to define your family. With these simple strategies, you can bridge the gap, rebuild trust, and create a home where everyone feels heard and valued. So, start today, because every conversation is a step toward a stronger, happier family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building stronger families. And let us know in the comments, what's one communication challenge your family is working on? Thanks for watching. And remember, communication is the key to connection.